Welcome to Cortex Engineering Software, a web blog on learning. This is a tutorial on CESAR 2 input basics. It's tutorial number 1 of 9. This one deals with getting started. The first step is to look at the workflow that we're going to use to get a CESAR 2 analysis out. First step is to mark up the drawing. We take a piping drawing, we make sure that we include things such as the piping code, the pipe sizes, the pipe geometries, fluid conditions, temperatures, pressures, corrosion allowances, materials, and so on. We turn this into a CESAR 2 model. This model is basically an abstract version of the piping system. It includes node numbers, it includes various parameters that are needed by the software to do the analysis. Once we've produced the model, we need to error check it. Then we move on and edit the load cases that the piping system will be subjected to. We run the analysis and review the results. This series of tutorials is concerned with the first 2 dot points, and the other 4 will be subject to 2 separate series of tutorials. So let's get started. This first video that we will show is deals with how to start CESAR 2. It tells us a little bit about the dashboard layout, how to set the working folder, how to start a new job. So let's get going. Okay, first thing, this is the screen that you will see when you start up CESAR 2. One thing to notice is up in the top left-hand corner, we'll see a path name and a file name. This is pointing to the CESAR 2 input file that we'll be using. We have a ribbon that shows a number of commands that are available to us. There is varied sorts of analysis and interfaces, different utilities, and so on. Also available is a menu input. This is more the traditional style of input. It contains all exactly the same commands as in the ribbon. One other thing to notice down here in the bottom right hand corner is a nameplate that shows the version number and the build date of the program, the CESAR version that you're running. This is useful for looking at for when you're troubleshooting or trying to get help from our help resources. In order to start a new project, we just simply click New, navigate to the project folder, select it, and type in the file name. So in this case we're going to call it Input Basics. And when we click OK, CESAR 2 will present us with a diagram or a screen showing the units that it's going to be using. These can be changed at any time in the configuration, and any input file can be changed to any sorts of units that you might feel are appropriate. In the meantime, you might be interested in some other resources that are available to you. We have, of course, the blog, and we have technical support. Those contact details can be used to contact us here at Cortex to discuss any issues you might have.